Alright guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. You must have been finding a way to get a Geegpay account, or by the virtue of you finding yourself watching this video, you must have been finding a way to fund your Geegpay account, maybe the US your USD account, your pounds and your naira accounts. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a complete guide on how you can fund your Geegpay account. So this is my home screen. This is my own account. You can see that these are the transactions that I've done in the past, and you can see here is my wallet. I have the British pounds, I have the euro wallet, and I have the USSD and NGN. So this is my own Nigerian bank account. So if you are watching this video outside of Nigeria, you can definitely create your own account. So there are some countries that this Geegpay doesn't support. So for the sake of this video, I'll be funding my NGN wallet to go ahead to do some few transactions. So all what you want to do, you can see before now that, let me click on this NGN wallet. Before now I have 0 NGN balance, so I'll be funding my account with just $2 for a transaction. Do you get it? So what you want to do is to click on the left hand hamburger right here where you are seeing 3 parallel lines, and what you want to do is to come to account. So by the virtue of you clicking on your account, they are going to be giving you the details. This is my USSD virtual account. With this account, I can, if you work as a freelancer, you work in UpPay, you work in Fiverr, you can receive your payment with all these details that was provided here. What you want to do is to get all this information, paste it to the company you are working for, or maybe you are working remotely. What you want to do is just to paste all these details. So with that having been said, so let's click. This is my British pounds account. So we are funding our NGN wallet. So what I want to do now is to copy this account number right here. Once I copy it, I'll go to my Nigerian bank account and transfer the sum of $2 into this account. Do you get it? I've already copied this account number now. If you haven't gotten an NGN wallet and you want to create one, I have already do a video on this, on how you can create a step-by-step guide on how you can create your virtual account. So I'll be linking the link of the video in the description button of this video. So go ahead and watch it, and after you've already created yours, you can simply come here to fund your account. And if you are finding it difficult to do all this, send me a message with this number displaying on your screen right now. So let me quickly fund this account with just $2. I'll be right back. So guys, I've already funded this account. So let's check if this account, if the money has dropped into my wallet. So I come back to this, the left hamburger icon here. You click on it, then we go to dashboard to see if this money has already dropped. Okay, this is my USSD wallet balance. So I just click on this drop down arrow here, then click on my NGN wallet. So let me see if this has already dropped on my wallet. You can see right here that it haven't been dropped. So let me try to refresh if I can see it. Let me try to refresh the page if the payment has popped up. So let me click on the NGN. All right. So guys, you've seen that this money has already arrived within 2 to 3 minutes right here. So that is how to fund your Geegpay account. So if you're having difficulties, if you're having any issues in funding it, you want to buy dollars and all that, you can find your way to my DM on WhatsApp. I will see you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it is very, very important. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video.